historic quaternary. As a politically and culturally significant area of Europe, Moravia, then known as Great Moravia, entered historical sources at the beginning of the 9th century. Great Moravia gained its exceptional feature in AD 863 with the arrival of Constantine and Methodius, who oversaw the creation